This is me sharpening my bandsaw blade. As of this morning, I'm able to do this without taking the blade off the saw, which is usually not a great idea. But it's possible because I 3D printed and built a tool to set an exact micro bevel on a reversible rotary tool. Reversibility being important because I can put a burr on the outside of the kerf for all teeth from one mounting position. The reason I built this tool was that I had a dull bandsaw blade, but I also built it because of inflation. Yes, prices in the US will be going up if I'm any judge of things, and the products I sell aren't immune. In particular, I'm not going to be able to hold the prices on the excellent cork rubber that I sell. So I thought I could improve what you get when you purchase the product by doing a series of projects that benefit from cork rubber and including the plans when cork rubber is purchased. This is the first one. Cork rubber on the base of the tool increases the hold on the bandsaw table. So if you purchase the cork rubber now, you'll get a Dropbox link that gives you access to the materials list, STL and G-code 3D print files, and SketchUp files so you can make one yourself. Now here I'm using magnets with their poles aligned, one in the moving part with the rotary tool and one in the base, to get it to spring back to its position away from the blade. You could use a spring for this, but I thought a magnet was more fun. Every time I post one of these videos, the price of cork rubber will go up $1, but I'll use the same Dropbox folder for future projects. So if you buy now, you'll get all the plans that I do in the future. I'm aiming for about 10 for the lowest possible price. Click this link that should be popping up in the top right, or go to the video description to see a video showing how I tested the cork rubber options to find the best one and where to purchase it. Thanks for watching.